Mnangagwa has grown too comfortable in the seat of power. He, who had promised change, now seems reluctant to relinquish the reins. Emerson Mnangagwa, once hailed as a liberator, now faces a different kind of struggle. His grip on power, once seemingly absolute, is being tested. His own comrades, battle-hardened veterans of the liberation struggle, are growing restless. They see him, their former brother-in-arms, clinging to power. Mnangagwa has always been a survivor. He navigated the treacherous waters of Robert Mugabe's regime, outmaneuvering rivals and consolidating his power. Now he faces perhaps his greatest challenge yet, securing his legacy. He came to power promising economic revival and democratic reforms. Yet progress has been frustratingly slow. The economy remains fragile, crippled by corruption and hyperinflation. The opposition, though weakened, still poses a threat, drawing strength from the public's growing disillusionment. Mnangagwa's hold on power, once seemingly unassailable, is starting to look vulnerable. The whispers about his intentions started subtly. At first, they were dismissed as mere speculation. But as Mnangagwa approached the end of his term, the whispers grew louder, transforming into open challenges. His reluctance to publicly endorse a successor, his hints at constitutional changes, all pointed towards one thing. Mnangagwa wasn't ready to relinquish power. This ambition, this hunger for control, has put him on a collision course with his own party. The war veterans, once his staunchest allies, now view him with suspicion. They see his ambition as a betrayal of the revolutionary ideals they fought for. The stage is set for a showdown, a battle for the soul of ZANU-PF and the future of Zimbabwe. The war veterans are a powerful force in Zimbabwean politics. They are the custodians of the liberation struggle, the ones who fought for independence. Their loyalty is fiercely guarded, their influence undeniable. For years, they were the backbone of Mugabe's regime, their support ensuring his grip on power. Now their allegiance is up for grabs. They remember the sacrifices they made, the blood they shed for their country's freedom. They see Mnangagwa, their former comrade, amassing power, seemingly forgetting the principles they fought for. They demand a say in the country's future, a guarantee that their sacrifices will not be in vain. Their demands are clear, a transparent and fair succession plan. They want assurances that the next leader will uphold the values of the liberation struggle, that they will prioritize the welfare of the veterans and the nation. They have made it clear that their support cannot be taken for granted. They will back the leader who they believe will best serve the interests of Zimbabwe. The veterans' stance is a clear warning shot across the bow of ZANU-PF. Their shift in allegiance has sent shockwaves through the ruling party, exposing the cracks in its facade of unity. The veterans hold the key to legitimacy, their support essential for any leader hoping to secure a hold on power. The question now is, who will they choose to back? That's it for today on Zim News Live YTS. Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.